In the default toolbar on the right here, it's pretty self-explanatory. You have dimension line, existing line, smooth and straight install line, and the refresh is just if your page gets askew or something like that, you can refresh it with that. So I'm going to go back up to the saved object feature, and I'm just going to hit a house on there and just throw that in there just so I can show this example. So let's say this is a partial replacement. I've got an existing line. You see it turns blue when I'm horizontal, turn blue when I'm vertical. All right, and I'm just going to drop that in. It's a certain color, certain thickness, and then a smooth install line. Click once where I want to start. Click when I want to change direction. You see it's got a fill color there, don't worry about it. And then I'll double click when I'm done. All right, so it's got this blue fill because I dropped this house in and it copied that. So as long as it's highlighted, I can go up here, go to fill color, and take that out. I can also edit the path if I don't exactly like where that line's laying, and tweak that a little bit. Then I've got my dimension lines. If I want to show a setback, I could try to line it up here, and you can do that. What I like to do is I'll just start on the front of the house and drag it back where I need it. You can see it turns blue again when it's horizontal. So I can either use the arrow key and move it up, or I can just select it and just move it up. And you'll see when I move it, see it shows me when I line up with its ghost image. Okay, so I'll click dimension line again. I can do the same thing with building main, shows me when I line up with it there, and when I get horizontal. All right, now again, I can use the arrow keys to move it, to fine tune it, or I can just grab it and put it anywhere, and it'll show me once again when I line up with the ghost image. Straight install line, very similar. Just going to click once. I've got a rigid curve, double click when I'm done. And that's pretty much it for that toolbar. This will simplify things quite a bit for the drawing process. One tip here is I've had a few times where the drawing wasn't exactly where I wanted to be on the page. So if I am in my select arrow, as you can see here, here, and up here, and I just click on the page outside of my elements here, I'm going to click and hold it, and you see I draw a box over the whole thing. It highlights everything. Now I can use the arrow keys. Say I thought, oh man, it's too low on the page. Well, I could just move it up. Okay, or I can slide it to right, left, whatever I need to do. And then just click off of it when I'm done. That can be a very handy feature for you. And that would be everything for the default toolbar. Thank you.